Good afternoon, my classmates. This is my second task for the Unit 1. Okay, my presentation in Prezi. I am going to present my best friend. My best friend. She's my best friend. My best friend is Carolina. She is from Colombia. Her nationality is Colombian and she is very friendly. Her hair is long, she is tall and the brown skin. She is a teacher and wears glasses all time. She is 37 years old. When she was a child, she couldn't cook, she could play all time, she couldn't go to the parties, and she couldn't drink liquor too. Nowadays, she likes watching movies and go to the parties. Now, she can go to the parties when she has time, she can drink liquor, and she can cook, but she doesn't like cook and clean the house neither. She may house tasks for obligation, but don't like. Caroline is very intelligent. She like her work and don't like practice sport. Sometimes she plays with workmates volleyball, but she prefer may do her work. Before, she could go out all time, but not in the nights. In this moment, she can go out in nights too, but she work sometimes doesn't let her. She loves be with her family when she can. This is my friend and me. Thank you, my classmate, for your attention and happy afternoon. Goodbye.